This month in June, I made $213 on Fiverr. Last month of May, I made $184 here on Fiverr. So this video, I'll share my observations, what I think worked best for me, and what didn't work best for me, and just my future plans, and what are things I'm going to be implementing this month. So without further ado, let's get into it. Great. So for this month, as I said before, I made $213 on Fiverr, and last month I made $184, which is a net positive for me. But there's a few caveats and things I could probably bring up that'll make you have a better understanding of what I made so far. So even though I made this money this month in Fiverr, in here I got a few more payments to be clear in about 5 days or so. I should be receiving $88, which is not going to be counted within the month of June. So it's like a technicality that's still worth mentioning. And additionally, my non-Fiverr clients, I'm still talking with them. I've lined up one client so far, so that's going to add money by the end of this week. So today's Thursday, and by tomorrow, Friday, I should be able to process some additional payment from this side, from my clients, and additionally from here. So it's going to be a little bit over $300, and that's a good sign for me that I should probably be able to diversify and start talking to people inside and outside of Fiverr. Next up, I'm going to be talking about my tracking here. This is going to be the manual tracking that I covered my earnings for June. And I did notice that there's about a $6 difference here, which is still trying to figure out what's the case in here, and see how can probably make a better calculation for myself. So it's just like a pretty basic accounting type of like approach. And it's just like I'm doing a better, like a more like in-depth understanding of my earnings in here. So this is what I get if I were to have like all the money, and what actually comes to my own pockets when it comes after the 20% cut. And let's go to the Seller Plus, the state of Seller Plus. I actually paid for Seller Plus, and quite honestly, it's not as good as I thought it would be. So far, it's been 1 month, and I'm giving it about 2 to 3 months of like testing to see if I want to continue with it or just drop it, like, and see if I try it out for another occasion. But so far, it's okay. You can actually do some good research here. And actually, if you're watching this video and if you're looking for keywords, reach out to me, drop a comment, and I'll give you some keywords in here for free. So it's good for your business if you don't have the Seller Plus enabled. So while I'm still at it with this subscription, drop a comment and I'll help you out. It's for free. And this will help you understand your keyword research in general, your gig top keywords. So you can actually classify it and you get your good keywords. Like regarding your gig, and this is like a good tool. And what else can I tell you? It's so far it's very insightful, but I still cannot make any bidding for my campaign. So let's say I want to go in here and start a campaign for my gigs. It's still not enabled, so I'm not sure what's the situation in here. But I'm not currently allowed to make like a campaign for my gigs in here. So like I'm still not clear about like what are the requirements. And let's talk about the last point, Fiverr Mate. So if this does not work for me within 3 months, Fiverr Seller Plus, I'm gonna be testing this new extension by this company called Fiverr Mate. This is something that I've been doing like on the side. So if I go back to my buying profile here and I type closed captions, this tool actually integrates with your Fiverr profile, regardless of your level. And it allows you to understand the situation of each and every gig in here. So let it think for a second here. So as you can see, you get a good chunk of like good keywords. And I'm still trying to like dissect this application. And what I've done so far is to work on titles, and I'm going to be working on a couple of tutorials to see how you can actually implement it. This is a very interesting tool. It's actually for free for now. There's like a free tier, but there's like a premium like tier. So right now I'm a free user, and it works just as good, and I think even better than Fiverr Seller Plus. So I'll be linking the extension in the description for your consideration. And if you're like, give it a try, and let's just exchange ideas. So test it out, and reach out to me to see what's been like the best practice, if it's a good extension, and how could it be a good tool for at least for my day-to-day on Fiverr. So that's like my next idea from as a video series about how to make the best out of Fiverr Mate. and without using Fiverr Seller Plus, because it's still a $20 monthly fee that's so like hurts my pocket. So yeah, other than that, it's been a good month, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next month, and thank you for watching.